How to open port in Contabo. Open the website of Contabo in your web browser and sign in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the Customer Control panel where your VPS services are displayed. Find your active VPS server in the Services list and open the Server Details page. Check the server status to make sure the VPS is running properly. Connect to the server using SSH if the system is Linux, or use Remote Desktop if the system is Windows. Enter the server IP address and login details to access your VPS. After connecting, open the terminal or command window on the server. Check the firewall status on the system to see if it is active. Use the firewall command on the server to allow the port number that you want to open. Apply the command so the firewall accepts incoming connections on that port. Reload or restart the firewall service to activate the new rule. Test the port from a browser or network tool to confirm that the port is open and working. Thank you for watching.